Hey y'all, so I got a Sunday meal on a Thursday night because I hadn't cooked all week. I cooked that meatloaf Sunday and that's all we had all week. So here's my mac and cheese. I don't put eggs in mine and I like a kind of creamy consistency. And so this is my mac and cheese. Had a request for some, and so I made some for the house tonight. I got lima beans, green lima beans from Walmart. Y'all, they looked so, I was like, you know what? Yeah, because I was looking for something green. The greens didn't look good. We just had cabbage Sunday. So I was like, well, let me fix something, you know, some type of vegetable. These are so good, and guess what? They're meatless. Meatless. But they are really good. I sauteed the vegetables in bacon fat, and then I added the beans. A little chicken bouillon, the kind that's no salt. It was good. So there's that. And then the star of the show for tonight, baked pork chops. Y'all, these pork chops were $6. And I got a recipe on how I do my baked pork chops. I like my, one lady said hers baked in 20 minutes. Nah, that ain't, I don't know if that's long enough. It ain't long enough for me. Because I like mine to bake long enough for most of the fat to render off. And it has like it almost looks like it's been fried, doesn't it? All right, y'all, be blessed. Much love. Talk to y'all later. Make someone smile. Bye.